Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Today, we are going to talk about a groundbreaking revolution in AI image generation, FLUX Kontext. Just imagine, you no longer need to sit for hours at your desk struggling with layers and confusing tools in Photoshop. With this incredible technology, all you need to do is provide the desired image and type what kind of editing you want. It performs the magic in record time. It can remove items in the background, change the backdrop entirely, modify a character's outfit, and even switch seasons. You can even keep a character's face consistent across multiple images while changing their actions without altering their appearance. This goes beyond simple editing. This is real-time visual creation powered by your imagination. Are you ready to experience the future of visual design? Then stay with us until the end of this video. The FLUX Kontext AI model has been developed by the team at Black Forest Labs. To begin, I searched the name of the team on Google. The first result is their official website, and I click on it. The homepage automatically redirects to the introduction page for FLUX Kontext, as the model has just been released. To use the services, I first need to create an account. I click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Here, you can create an account using your email or your Google account. I choose Login with Google and select one of the open Gmail accounts in my browser. This takes me to the dashboard of the Black Forest Labs website. Then I click on the home icon to return to the main page. I click on the Get Started button. Currently, the model is available in two versions, Pro and Max, and can be accessed via the Playground platform or through the API. As you can see, it's mentioned that FLUX Kontext is also available on other platforms such as Freepik, Krea, and Leonardo. So if you come across it on those sites, don't be surprised. The API has been provided to those platforms as well. I click on the option Try in the Playground. In the Welcome window, I check the box for I'm over 18 and then click Get Started. Now we've entered the main image editing page using FLUX Kontext. In the first sample edit, you'll notice the reference character has been altered, but is still holding an umbrella. In the second example, the word Joy has been replaced with BFL while preserving the font and color. In the third sample, the image has been upscaled and focused in a close-up view on a character. Feel free to explore the other examples on your own. Now, from the bottom left corner, I click on the My Account button. Here, you can see the number of remaining credits. By creating an account, you are automatically gifted 200 free credits. You can also access the Logout option in this section. Next, make sure you're in the Edit section from the left-hand menu. At the top of the page, I click on the Upload box, select the image I want to edit, and upload it. In the first example, our goal is to remove items and people in the background. I type this request in English in the prompt box. Then, in the text box at the right corner, I click on the three-dot icon. In the batch size section, I choose how many images will be processed and delivered per request. Here, I select the number 2. In the output format section, I choose between PNG and JPEG formats. After entering the settings, I click on the Submit button. The request enters the processing queue, and after a short time, the result appears as 2 thumbnails. I click on one of them. As you can see, all the items and people in the background have been precisely removed, and even the empty spaces have been accurately reconstructed. This AI model performed incredibly well in removing background elements in this example. Believe me, removing background elements with this speed and precision is almost impossible even with Photoshop. During this editing process, we received 2 output images, and I check them. By clicking on the 3-dot icon at the top right of the site, I access the download option. When I hover over the thumbnails, I also have access to the edit and delete options. I click on the edit option. After removing the unnecessary items in the background, let's move on to the next example where we place the character in a beautiful landscape. For this purpose, I type the idea of changing the background in the text box. To check the settings, I click on the 3-dot icon in the top right of the box. I click on Submit. The request enters the processing queue, and after a short time, 2 thumbnails are ready. I click on one of them. Now let's return to one of the previous images used as a reference. I click on the edit option of one of the reference images. This time, we want to make a major change to the character's appearance. Let's imagine the weather has suddenly turned freezing, and our character needs to be ready for a snowy day. So, we go to the prompt box and carefully type that the character should be wearing winter clothing. Now it's time to check the settings. We click on the three-dot icon at the right corner of the typing box. We click on the submit button and our request enters the processing queue. Now we wait a few moments for the magic of AI to unfold, and boom, 2 incredible thumbnails appear. We click on one of the thumbnails to view it in high resolution. As you can see, the character is beautifully transformed into a fully natural and professional winter look. It's time to let go of the traditional way of image editing in Photoshop, because FLUX Kontext is not only faster, but does it with a far more artistic touch. In the next example, I want to enhance the winter vibe in the image. At this stage, I move the cursor over one of the thumbnails where the character is wearing warm winter clothes. I click on the edit option. This time, in the prompt box, I clearly write that I want light and natural snow to settle on the character. Then I press the submit button, and the image enters the processing queue. We wait a bit, and now 2 new thumbnails appear that truly bring the feeling of winter. I click on one of the thumbnails to see it in a larger view. To save the final image, I once again use the 3-dot icon at the top right corner and download the version without a watermark. Now the character is fully immersed in winter, with traces of snow on their hair, shoulders, and even gloves. And this is the moment we realize that the power of FLUX Kontext truly has no boundaries. We go back to one of the reference images we previously created. I click on edit for one of the reference thumbnails to enter the editing space. Now in the prompt box, I clearly write that I want the character to be inside a car and driving. I click the submit button. A few seconds later, the result is ready. 2 eye-catching thumbnails appear, showing the character with all facial details preserved, now driving in a new location. I delete the previous prompt and carefully type in the prompt box that the character should wear a full astronaut suit and be placed on the surface of a distant planet. I click submit. A few moments later, the output is ready. 2 amazing thumbnails appear. I click on the images to zoom in. The scene looks incredibly professional. The astronaut suit, the surface of the moon, the shadows, everything is perfectly done. But something small catches the eye. The character's hair is sticking out from inside the helmet. Although it's a minor detail, it takes away from the realism of the image. But fixing this issue is no challenge for FLUX Kontext. I correct the prompt and clearly state that the character's hair should be inside the helmet. I hit submit and wait once more. Now the new output is ready. I click on one of the thumbnails to review the image. This time, the problem has been fixed, and not a single hair is visible outside. I download the new image. In Photoshop, we would have had to solve this issue with countless masks, brushes, and layers. But here, with just a simple prompt, we received a professional and flawless image. This is exactly where we realize how FLUX Kontext is redefining the boundaries of traditional image editing. One of the reference images is still active in the edit section. I delete the previous prompt. In the prompt box, I type that the character should be in a full body view, facing the camera at a 45-degree angle, wearing black sporty clothes along with accessories like a hat and glasses. I press submit and wait again. Just a few moments for the FLUX Kontext engine to work its magic. And boom, the result appears on the screen. 2 beautiful thumbnails. I review them. Here is where FLUX Kontext showcases its power in image creation. The character is consistent, and the face remains entirely the same even in this new scenario. From the top right 3-dot menu, I download the final output without a watermark. By clicking on Start Over, we return to the edit page and begin a new project. FLUX Kontext can easily understand and edit words and text without any issue. At the top of the edit page, I click on the upload box, choose the desired image for editing, and upload it. I want to change the text in this movie poster using the editing power of FLUX Kontext. I already wrote a prompt for this and pasted into the prompt box. In this prompt, I asked FLUX Kontext to replace the word Titan with Iman and the word Exodus with Global in this poster. I click on the 3-dot icon on the right side of the prompt box and make sure there will be 2 images in the output, since we have a credit limit. Then I click the submit button, and the image enters the processing queue. We wait a bit, And now 2 new thumbnails appear, and they are truly impressive. The previous title has been removed and the new title has been replaced, with the same font and text effects. From the left-hand menu and under the History section, you can access all the images you've created or edited using FLUX Kontext. If you're serious about the future of content creation and don't want to fall behind in this wave of transformation, hit that subscribe button right now. From here on out, the tutorials get more advanced, more in-depth, and way more practical. Anyone who lags behind is only going to fall further away from the future. We'll be back soon with an even more powerful tutorial. Get ready!